opening my last two Wave 2 creepro reductions. I'm using my TV screen as a ring light because my pen's charging and I don't have an extra box to use my ring light, so yeah, priorities. But we're gonna be opening Spectra and Cleo. And this is just like kind of gonna be a quick, like, little chill vibe video because I want to get these dolls open. I want to start styling them and stuff. But let's get into it. Pretty nice hair. Like, it's like not like the worst poly I've ever seen. I feel like they cut the purple a little short on mine. I feel like I've seen others people's be a lot longer. I feel like they gave mine a little bit of a botched haircut. But you know, we live and let live, you know? If I really want to, I have some purple hair I can reroot her with. But she's so pretty. Let me get comb. I have her little bag. Very, very cute. So pretty. And look at Rowan. They're so cute. Very excited to have Spectra. One final look. Here's her little purse. I'm gonna go on to deuce and cleo. Alrighty, time to open the big guns. Cleo and deuce. I'm so excited to have her. I have not ever had a G1 Cleo ever in my possession. This is my first G1 Cleo. I am so excited to have her. Like, I've been missing you, girl. Like, you have been needed in my collection. Anyway, so excited to have her. But anyway, on to deuce. Well, I gotta show you his set. So here's Deuce. I put his shades on so he won't turn to stone. But anyway, he's so cute. I'm so glad to have G1 Deuce. Like, he is like just classic. Like, I'm not a big boy doll fan, but I really like Deuce. He's very cute. I would love them to like reproduce Heat because I love Heat's old dolls as well. But I like his like outfit. Like, it looks like they actually like put attention into detail and like care about the boys' outfits. I don't like the like G3 outfit much for the boys because they just never care. I was looking for the clip so I could put him on the stand. So here is Deuce. He's so cute. Oh, and I love his pretty stand. Let's show off Perseus. Why the fuck did they not give Deuce a cone? I'm just trying to get out something. Look at Perseus. Oh my gosh, he looks so funky. He's so cute. He's just like a little chubby mouse or rat. Like, he's so ugly, but he's so cute at the same time. Like, he's so funny looking. But anyway, I'm gonna grab these batteries out. Alright, so these are the final dolls. I'm so excited to fix Cleo and Spectra up and get them all boiled and slayed. And I'll show the final result at the end of this video. But for now, I'll see you later. Bye!